All right, so basically I'm gonna model the road test, and I'm gonna demonstrate what my students need to do. So he's hopefully getting a good shot. And so first thing we wanna do is position the car straight. This is the actual road test area. It's like this across the United States. And the first thing I wanna do is position my car straight, okay? And the first one is the stop line. So I have to drive up to the cones and not go over the actual yellow line. So I'm covering my brake. Just gonna move up really slow, take my time, and just be patient. So when I demonstrate this to my students, I want them to model the same behavior. So I'm going right up there to the stop line. It's gonna take my time. You're doing great. Yep, put it down for me. So I'm gonna go right up here to the stop line, and then I don't wanna pass the cones. So then I'm gonna put it in park, hit the horn. Go ahead, keep it going. So that's the first one. The second one is called the 3-point turnaround, and it's similar to backing in your driveway and reversing direction. So now I'm gonna put it in reverse. I'm looking over my left shoulder, so I don't know if you get that angle. Maybe look through the back window. And then I'm gonna turn slowly, covering my brake, turning hand over hand to the left, and then I'm gonna back in very, very slow. Okay, checking my cones on both sides. And I look clear so far. And then now